So on the employment note, we are happy to announce that we have Pam Nabors here today, the CEO from CareerSource, who's going to come up and talk to you a little about some employment opportunities and what goes on during these times of crisis and trouble. Pam, welcome.
Thank you, Chairman. Hello, good afternoon. I am Pam Nabors. I'm the President and CEO of CareerSource Central Florida. We are the regional workforce board that covers 5 counties around the city of Orlando, and Seminole County is among them. We are very honored to be here this afternoon to talk to you about CareerSource Central Florida's response to the COVID-19 crisis, and we are working very hard for our community, our workforce, and families during this unprecedented time. As I share with you the kinds of resources and services that we're able to provide, I want to be sure that you know that all of these services are available at our website, which is www.careersourcecentralflorida.com. And also we have a contact center that you can reach from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. The number is 1-800-757-4598. Someone is there to talk with you, an individual to support you in your career or job search. So since March 1st, CareerSource Central Florida has experienced an 80% increase in customers. In Seminole County alone, we have helped over 3,400 individuals with job search. And job search assistance is a number of different things, including updating a resume, updating a LinkedIn profile, learning how to navigate the virtual environment for employment, interviewing skills, searching for jobs, individualized career counseling and career planning, job search and connection to businesses that are actually hiring, and also opportunities for upskilling and perhaps to work during this time in humanitarian outreach. 60% of our activity right now is in connecting individuals to open positions, and IT, manufacturing, construction, customer service are at the top of the list right now. Again, all of these services are available at our website or through contacting our contact center. We are also supporting the Department of Economic Opportunity in issuing paper unemployment or reemployment applications, and so we are replenishing those applications in front of our CareerSource office on Airport Boulevard. To date, as of April 4th, the department has informed us that there are about 11,000 claimants in Seminole County specifically, and we're working to reach to those claimants and provide our services. We are able, though, to place individuals, and so we've already seen several individuals placed in the construction industry as well as the contact center industry. Also important is that we have services to provide to the business community. So businesses are also seeking assistance during this time. We do have many businesses that are recruiting to support humanitarian and all kinds of outreach that you're hearing about, grocers, call centers. We are, for businesses, providing virtual job fairs, applicant screening, recruiting to support those positions, and in some cases, paid internships for individuals to be working while they are tried out, so to speak, at the business. So since March 1st, we have supported already 300 additional businesses and expect that to increase in Seminole County. Specifically, I'm always asked, who's hiring? And so here in Seminole County, we're currently recruiting actively for Dell Air Heating and Air Conditioning, TBI Airport Management, SSP North America, Remedy Intelligent Staffing, Alarica, they have hundreds of jobs available, Apple One Employment Services, Chase Bank, JP Morgan, Guidewell Florida Blue has 50 positions for customer care, and Central Florida Family Health Center, for just a few, to give you an idea of what we're recruiting for. Also, for individuals who are laid off, we have stood up a program for internships in humanitarian outreach. We're looking to actually hire in an internship at a $14 an hour wage laid off workers who are interested in being drivers, for example, for delivering meals to seniors. We have a partnership with For Roots Foundation, and we're looking also for partnerships with our senior centers and United Against Poverty and other nonprofit organizations who are supporting the humanitarian outreach. And we have allocated about $500,000 towards those internship wages in the next couple of months. In Seminole, we have to date actually also put people into training programs at Seminole State College, and we're continuing to support those students and also place them if they've completed their training. For our new programs, actually in direct response to the COVID-19 crisis, we have done a couple other new things. As I mentioned, we are providing all of these services virtually. So even though our physical locations are closed, our CareerSource career consultants are available to provide one-on-one services to both career seekers and businesses. We're also launching virtual workshops in a number of different topics for both job seekers and businesses. So again, updating your resume, helping you practice virtual interviewing skills, refreshing skills, because many people have been out of the job market and need some support in looking at opportunities now. And then for businesses, many businesses are also learning to navigate virtual interviewing and virtual screening of applicants. And so if you're interested in these positions, again, I would direct you to our website, as I mentioned before, and also for the internship, we actually have internship at CareerSourceCF.com. That's a website or an email address for both business and for job seekers. One last, actually two last things that we are doing is we are also launching a free online learning program. It's called Skill Up Central Florida. Again, it is available through our website. It is a partnership with Metrics Learning. There are over 5,000 courses in that program. There are courses from basic educational skills to actually project management and HR certifications. There are many, many different kinds of certifications, computer Microsoft certifications, and those are all available on our website, and that's free to the public. And the last thing is, in another week, we'll be launching a podcast called CareerSource Central Florida Job Launchpad, and it will be directly talking about the services that I've mentioned this afternoon, as well as tips for who's hiring, interviewing to-dos, and how to react, what to do first if your job is impacted by the COVID-19 crisis. Last, I want to just mention we are continuing to recruit for our youth, our summer youth employment program. We're hoping to be able to launch that later in the summer. That is a program that allows young people 16 to 24 years old to actually work and learn work skills. It's in partnership with our colleges and our tech centers, and we're hoping to be able to launch that, as I said, in July. And so again, at our website is the address for young people to sign up. And young people are being very affected during this crisis. Many of them are losing jobs in those retail industries. So it's very important that they have an opportunity to be able to work. And so I think I've covered everything. And thank you very much for this opportunity, Chairman. And I'm going to turn it over to Bob Cortez.